My name is Alex McNeil. I am a PNT engineer, which is position navigation and timing on the AQNav team. My journey to my role in the AQNav space is pretty unique. So I actually started out at the Air Force Institute of Technology doing research for magnetic anomaly navigation for hypersonic aircraft. That research then allowed me to write my master's thesis, and in my defense for my master's thesis, 2 members of Sandbox were present. And from that defense, I had 2 people reach out to me, and that turned into an opportunity to work here at Sandbox and essentially pursue turning what I had done my research into a product that can be used to have impact on a lot of passengers and pilots. When I first joined Sandbox, I certainly experienced a lot of imposter syndrome. I was fresh out of a master's program from the Air Force Institute of Technology, and I was joining a team with a bunch of PhDs, a bunch of people from these Ivy League schools. And that was a big adjustment for me, coming and being around all these brilliant people. But one thing that really helped me kind of combat that and get through that was realizing that these people saw value in me and that they saw what I brought to the table. Once I started realizing that, I was able to kind of be like, okay, well, they see value in me, so I have something valuable to present. And that really killed the imposter syndrome for me. The advice that I would give to someone who's interested in getting into the AQ space and becoming part of it is to start early. I was very fortunate in my sophomore year of undergrad to be exposed to the AQ space and start growing in that and developing my skills. That really allowed me to have that early on experience with the field. And it's just the sooner the better for getting involved in it. I think there's a lot that's being done both here at Sandbox and in the industry as the AQ industry as a whole to really lower the barrier of entry and educate people and bring people into AQ and just leveraging those available resources. I think the big thing for me being, previously involved with the Air Force as a contractor and now here at Sandbox working again with other government customers and the Air Force, the impact that we can have on aviation and keeping both our troops safe and civilians safe as well. I think that impact and that, extended capability that Sandbox and the AQ space can really start to provide will be very impactful to, bring families home and bring troops home. I'm really looking forward to being able to provide that level of impact. What I'm most excited about for the future of AQ is the potential impact that we can bring in the aerospace industry. If you're interested in learning more about AI and quantum, please check out the additional videos on the Sandbox YouTube channel.